How you like that? You gon' like that?
And you're watching again Kuya J's vlog, and this is Kuya J, and welcome you to the vlog. Hello to all my subscriber, and to those non-subscriber, please do subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment in every video that you watch. Okay, for the 6th entry video of this vlog, I will show to you my routine a night before my off day, my rest day, because tomorrow Wednesday is my off day. Every week Wednesday is my off day, and I'm so loaded. Okay, I'll show you. I will not enumerate it, but instead I will show it to you so that you will know whatever I do, everything that I do a night before my off day. But before anything else, I would like to shout out to all the merchandiser working in Carrefour Villaggio, Qatar, especially to Ate Ruchel from makeup section, and to all the cashier, Ilonggo cashier like Vina, like Febrel, Jean, Janice, Maricel, my kumare, what you call this? Buntit? I don't know your name, Buntit, but it's you. And then Anding, that is Desiree, my future I'm the future godfather of that cashier. And then who else? Aching, and then Kimberly, and for those who I'm not able to mention, for those cashier that I did not mention, that is good to me, I do apologize, and I will just shout out you again on the next video, on the 7th video. And continuing on my shout out, I would like to shout out all the merchandisers of automation section in Carrefour Villaggio, and home appliance section in Carrefour Villaggio again. And for those in Lulu Diring, and Lulu Barwa especially, and to all my family in Lulu Barwa, I miss you. And without further ado, let's begin my routine a night before my rest day. And let's start it with laundry. So yun na nga mga kakoys, tapos na ako maglinis, magwalis, magtupi. So ngayon, nag-aantay na lang ako ng labahan ko matapos. So habang nag-aantay, nakita ko to. Binili ko siya kanina. 8 real lang siya. Popcorn sweet microwave. Mason popcorn yung tatak niya. 8 reals. Masubukan lang. Matry natin kung masarap. Diba? Habang nag-aantay ng labahan, magpa-popcorn at manunod ng Netflix. So samahan niyo ako ha. Tara, hyperlapse again. So ayun na nga ulit mga kakoys. Di ba may nakita akong popcorn, binili ko kanina sa Carrefour, 8 real lang. Naku, sabik na sabik ako kasi sabi ko tangina magpapa-popcorn ako habang nagne-Netflix ako. Naku, ayun na. Naglinis na ako, ginawa ko na lahat. So mag-aantay na lang ako matapos yung labahan. Sabi ko, may ma-microwave ko na to para magne-Netflix ako tapos magpa-popcorn. So yun na nga, microwave ko na nga. 2 minutes yung nakalagay. Sabi ko, parang hindi pa naman naputok lahat. So sabi ko, mga 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So yung nangyari mga koys, naluto siya. Sobrang galing ko magluto talaga mga koys. Sobrang galing, mapapasabi ko, uy koys, lutuan mo akong i-microwave mo ako ng popcorn kasi sobrang inggit mo ng sobrang perfecto kong popcorn. Eto na Koys, 30 seconds lang. 30 seconds lang, boys. 30 seconds lang, nasunog pa ang popcorn ko na wala. Naku naman. So, yung bagsak ko, dito. Diba? At least dito, walang sunog. may tsokolate, may biskwit. Busog. Okay? So, sa pang-walo kong video, alam nyo na kung anong gagawin ko. I-dare ko yung sarili kong sunugin lahat ng popcorn, isang box. Nako, ewan ko lang kung hindi pa kayo makapag-subscribe dyan. Nako, mantatawa kayo dito, mga koys, tara na. Subscribe na. Ano ba? Si Sharon, sakay na. Si Chris Aquino, amoy ulam ka na ba? Tara na, subscribe na, subscribe na. Salamat sa panunood at Godspeed.